Hey folks, Adam here from Elite Demonstrations showing off this. It is the most elite and fantastic bird feeder on the market. Why? Because it has smart AI technology that's going to recognize birds for you. Are you kidding me, Al? This is really fantastic. So it comes with an Ultra HD camera. That's going to tie right into the app on your phone, and you will have forever use of their really cool recognition software to recognize birds. This has a huge bin right here, and it's good for the environment because it's solar powered. So let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about it. We're going to kick it off with a video about this fantastic product. Now, first and foremost, I absolutely love that it'll recognize birds for you. Do you hear the squirrels and birds? They can't wait to get back to chowing down and munching on this. The software is going to identify whether you got a cardinal, you got a blackbird or robin or a grackle from Grackle Bridge. This is going to be telling you exactly what's coming to your feeder. It's going to notify you, and it even has an alarm system to where if you want maybe the squirrels to go away, you can give them a little boop, boop, boop. On top of all of that, it's a smart system. You can record the footage and you can get it on those groups. I'm on a group on Facebook. It's a bird watcher group, and you can share your videos and pictures with all your friends and show the birds that are in your environment. Yeah, it's really fantastic and it's fun. Now, second, I love this solar panel here. It's a big solar panel with a good amount of sun. You never have to worry about charging the battery, and that's fantastic. On top of that, it's easy to mount. It comes with all the mounting hardware that you need, and we're going to be showing you that at the up close portion of the video. It also is has a big storage area to where you can put a lot of feed all in here, and it's gravity feed. The birds love it, and you don't have to refill it every day because it will gradually come out and feed the birds more and more, so they'll come here and peck at it. I love putting sunflower seeds. I love putting a songbird mix, and it is tremendous and how fun it is. In reality, I normally keep it right outside that window to my office. I have it facing the office. The birds come in, they eat away, and they're like this close to the glass, and I get to watch them, and it's really fantastic. I get notified. It even has night vision, and I get notified at night when something comes. We get squirrels, we get raccoons, we get possum. And again, I can scare them off if I want, but personally, I like all the critters. I like the nature, and that's why I also keep just a little bit of peanuts in here for all the ground critters and whatnot. So folks, if you're looking for a fantastic camera, a fantastic bird feeder, and a fantastic way to teach about nature, and that's something that's really great. Say if you've got kids, this is a great way to teach them about nature. Teach them the birds and animals out there. I also, if you look over here, I've got a screened-in porch area, and that screened-in porch, we got a couple cats, and the cats absolutely love watching the birds. They love watching all the activities that come on at the bird feeder, so it gives them cat TV. Really fantastic. If you're looking for something absolutely elite, something life-changing and super fun, well, guess what? This bird feeder is the cat's pajamas and the bee's knees. It's the cardinal and the crow's crow. So folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're looking at a really fantastic product, and I'm a big fan, but the big key is that software. That software can't be beat, it can't be replicated, and you're gonna love it. All right, folks, I appreciate you. Stick around for our up-close portion of the video. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. This is a fantastic product. It has remote control camera. It is solar paneled, good for the environment, and that bird recognition software. Let me go, I gotta zoom in. That's such a cool photo they have in that box, right? That might be my thumbnail. That is so cool, right? Fill it up with bird feed. It's an HD streaming video, and this is absolutely fantastic. Dual motion and accelerator. So it's going to test if there's movement and acceleration. Charging is solar, USB cable. Power is 5200 mAh battery. That's a big battery, probably bigger than most cell phones. It's got that color blue. The camera is a 2 megapixel camera. Built-in microphone, temperature operation, big range, weather resistant, yup. And Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz to get that wide range to where you can use it just about anywhere. Great field of view, wireless type, and it's a really fantastic camera. So the big cool thing about this is that smart and reliable bird recognition. And you can use that for the life of it. That's fantastic. Recognize more than 11,000 plus species of birds all over the world. Look up the details. I was able to find out that I had robins and bluebirds and titmouse and everything in between. Bird detection, solar panel with 1,000 mAh per day by its built-in panel, which is waterproof. Nature-friendly housing, IP65 waterproof design, anti-UV roof, making it reliable. Auto-capture various birds, automatically take videos and beautiful moments, store them on the card. Yeah, it has a card that you can store on or in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about that. And the 1080p HD camera with night vision. Yeah, you can see stuff at night. I was able to see a raccoon get up on mine at night. And device share function, observe wild birds, and apps. You can observe the app from anywhere. You could be across the world in China. This can even work kind of as a security camera. You can see what's going on in your yard. I absolutely love it. This is a great device. Simple, easy to use, straightforward. You got the camera right here. The loading, put your bird seed right in the top, and this thing is nice. It's like vanilla ice. It's twice as nice, folks. Look at that. How much bird feed can you put in there? You get your camera tied to your solar panel, and it is a beautiful, stylish way to really track your birds. So, folks, if you're looking for something better than the rest, something that's going to allow you to check your birds, well, guess what? This is a fantastic product. I really can't complain about it. I love that it is anti-UV. A lot of those solar panels will wear out quickly. It's IP65, I believe, waterproof, water-resistant, waterproof, and you can put it right up on a tree or a board, and you can get to seeing your birds have fun. Absolutely a fantastic device. That big solar panel is going to keep it perfect for your family and friends. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. We're showing off the best products. I'm going to give it to you one more time. This thing is great. My 5 favorite features are the solar panel. You never have to charge it. It's environmentally friendly. The big bin for all your bird feed. The 2 megapixel camera. That's number 3. The 2 megapixel camera gets you a great view. On top of all that, easy to mount. I got to show you. It does have this accessory platform with fixed screws to where it just sits right here. You just put the 2 screws on the bottom, and you can fit a lot of birds on here. The app has a notification where you can scare off those squirrels and things, or you can watch the squirrels. I like the squirrels. The squirrels are half the fun for me. It has everything you need. I love that it's USB charging as well as solar. That's number 2. And the number 1 reason why you need this is to start recognizing birds. You will be able to recognize all your wildlife. You'll sound so smart when you're like, oh, did you see the robin and the cardinal come into our yard? Because you know everything about it. It's that Bird Lover APP that you can get for the duration. This thing is absolutely fantastic. All right, folks, my name is Adam from Elite Demonstrations. That's right, Elite Demonstrations. The only ones that are showing you all the best products and the coolest, newest innovation. And 11,000 plus birds are going to be right on your smartphone with that really cool app that's so easy to use. It's going to be as easy to set up as your Bluetooth headphones. All right, don't take my word for it because you need to get it for yourself. I appreciate every one of you. Don't you dare miss it. Check it out. You need it. Goodbye, my friends.